Hello traders, today is 9th of December 2020 and I would like to share with you today's best Forex trade analysis and the result. As you have seen all of my previous analysis and I'm keep mentioning that we analyze market in 4 hour, then refine our entries in intraday through live RD commentary support. How that works, I'm just going to trying to give you a little bit more information today. First of all, in the morning, um, just before 7:30, I analyzed market high time frame as mentioned here. So let me show you here what exactly I mean it. So first of all, in the morning, we discuss about the upcoming news in more details and see the timing because we need to define what time we have the opportunities might going to come. So we discuss all this high impact news. Once that is done, then I go through all these 12 major currency pair in detail. As you can see, I analyze market in 4 hour, and then I analyze market in intraday. As you can see that I defined that this is the triangle pattern breakout we are looking today, and we had this pullback short trade this afternoon, and we banked beautiful pips on Euro USD. Same thing in pound dollar. As you can see, did analysis this morning that we're looking at this consolidation. We're looking at breakouts. So we had a pullback long trade, and then on the reversal, I also mentioned this level. I'm going to show you in video now that then we should be looking at short trade, and then we took a pullback short trades in intraday. So this is the 4 hour and this is the intraday. And let me show you, once the analysis is done, the recording instantly uploaded in the system, which you can see it here. And let me show you the pound dollar. As you can see, I explained that all this analysis, I explained that previous price action, we have it, price failed to, we have a false breakout. That's the good sign, the possibility of price might going to break this resistance. And then otherwise, if not, then we should be looking within these consolidation intraday opportunities. Once that is decided, then obviously I go in a shorter time frame, which we have a momentum system to refine our entries and exit. Here, I explained to my traders that previously the price broke on this resistance, so technically we're expecting another pullback, but there's a possibility price might going to break this support area. But in order to take a short trade, we need a confirmation. But first priority would be is to take a pullback long. That's what we defined. That was the first priority based on the momentum and based on the trend in intraday. Otherwise, if the price break and retest give us the confirmation, then we're looking at short trade here. So once that analysis is done, that broadcast instantly in the platform, which you can see here. And this is the analysis. And this is the analysis. And not just broadcasting analysis, because we're also watching that pair, as soon as the price behave according to the analysis, we broadcast that information instantly through a live audio commentary, which you can see here, and all the members can listen because we're also watching all these 12 major currency pair here. You can see here all the templates we're watching here. So any opportunities based on the current analysis develop, we broadcast that information instantly through live audio or at the analysis section. So let me share with you the pound dollar trade. I'm just going to pick up one trade and I'm going to show you the whole journey of pound dollar. So at least you will understand how we analyze market. So first of all, in the morning, you can see here, that was my first analysis, that pullback long. And then when the price developed this pullback, we mentioned to big bank some profit. And then we have another analysis which we pulled back long, which we said take a pullback. And then afterwards, price develop another sideways market. We explained to traders to look for another breakout, but again, we still was looking a breakout long. Then we have another breakout is performed. We explain to trader that the price is about to break out the previous high. We mention this one and tell them consider banking some pips. So once that is done, and then we did another analysis at the New York session. You can see here, this is the New York session analysis, that breakout. And let me explain to you in the video, which we did just before 2 p.m., just before the New York Exchange open. We did analysis in pound dollar, and we explain in more details. As you can see here, um, we explain in 4 hour that the price has broken nicely, so we expecting price might going to reverse this level. And we explain the technical details, which I also did. That was the you know 23.6 fib level, as you can see here, which we plotted here properly, and explained to traders that price might going to reverse from this level. And we expecting, otherwise if the price going to break, that's going to be target, otherwise we're looking a short trade here. Then I did analysis in intraday, which we explained traders the price action, that if the price has broken the previous price you know level, as you can see here, and price broken this one and could not maintain this level, that's a good sign for reversal. And price also develop another symmetric triangle pattern, so we're looking at safest way to look if the price gonna break the previous low, and that's why we're going to take a short trade. So once this analysis is broadcasted, then we should be looking pullbacks, which is I explained to my traders in more details, and that's what happened. You can see this is the analysis. Let me zoom it now. This is the analysis we did, and then afterwards we announced all these pullback short trade through live ID commentary, and we explained to trader as long as the momentum is bearish, we should be taking all short trades. So you can see the whole journey of pound dollar. We explain pull back long and then pull back short, explain in watching in 4 hour, define a market sentiment and refine entries and exit, and taking beautiful pips. So you can see we had such a beautiful trades, all pound dollar trades analysis, and explained in more details. And you can see, even if you look at the, let's take one of another trade here, um, Euro USD. You can see here, and the 4 hour, we mentioned this breakout, and as you can see here, this is what we explain later on, that we should be looking at pullback short trade here, and then afterwards you can see all the pullbacks. So all these trades are being analyzed in 4 hour and then intraday, and broadcast that updates through live RD commentary and instantly here. So let's talk about the dollar CAD. You can see this was the trade, beautiful breakout. After the breakout, pulled back long, and then dollar Swiss franc. We have another one. You can see this was the consolidation breakout, pretty straightforward long trade, counter long trade. And the Kiwi dollar, as you can see, we explained to traders that we have this breakout trade, and if the first thing is a breakout trade, and if the trader wants, they can wait for the pullback. But ideally we explained, because we were watching in 4 hour, and if you look at the 4 hour, the price nicely hit to the major resistance level, you can see it. And that's what we explained to trader, look for the breakout short trade. As you can see, we had a beautiful short trade on Kiwi dollar, and bank beautiful pips on Kiwi dollar. And dollar yen, this was a pretty straightforward consolidation breakout long trade. And Aussie dollar, again, you can see here, this one again we were watching in 4 hour, based on that beautiful counter breakout short trade. And pound Swiss franc, again we were watching in 4 hour. Based on that, we have this another symmetric triangle pattern breakout, after the breakout and pullback short trades. And then we have dollar, again this is another one, pound yen, beautiful. You can see here, this was again as we mentioned, because we're watching in 4 hour. Based on that, we had a beautiful breakout. If you look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, and we take all this pullback short trade. Even if you look at the pound yen in 4 hour, And this morning, this afternoon, you can see the price nicely hit to this resistance level, which we explained to traders that possibility price might going to develop head and shoulder pattern, and then we're taking a short trade. As you can see here, we take all these short trades. You can see here in the morning breakout and then taking a position long, then another consolidation, breakout long trades, and then on the way back you can see here consolidation and breakout, all the pullback short trades. So you can see we had such a beautiful, amazing analysis and the trade updates. And if you look at here, since 2018, when we broadcast this system to live public, we have all the professional traders, and you can see any date you can pick up and you can see all this analysis and all the results. This is all purely for the educational purpose, so at least they can understand how we analyze market and trade successfully. All the training given here, all the platform training videos, pattern cheat sheet, about our intraday system, complete videos here. So all the material is given here, and if the trader need a help, they can ask question here. They can, request audio chat if they need anything. We also provide all the support. So you can see, guys, this is what exactly we do it. High time frame. I hope you enjoy today in details how we analyze market in 4 hour, and how we analyze market in intraday. And we also keep an eye all these fundamental news in one platform here, or upcoming news here, all the news, financial news, which we basically help us to define our objective, trading objectives. So I hope you guys enjoy this details of today's analysis. And even if you don't have forex trading experience, we also provide full forex coaching and training alongside this material. And you can see all that live analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support. Or even if you are struggling, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill very fast and quickly with our professional trader, which they can provide complete help. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that pips, guys. You can see here such a beautiful breakout and beautiful trades. All right, guys, that's it. And wish you all the best. And I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.